Good morning. It is an honor and a great pleasure to me to join you all today at the inaugural session of this 5-day faculty development program organized by Alapon, Academy for Language Advancement and Progressive Attitude Nurturing, a registered autonomous educational organization. First of all, I would like to extend my warmest welcome to all of you. At the outset of the program, I wish to convey my gratitude to the program coordinator of this 5-day FDP and Tamil Nadu State Coordinator of Alapon, Mrs. Shavita Shanmugapriya, for her skilled coordination and arrangement. We are very pleased as we have had two renowned resource persons, Dr. R. Jaya, Associate Professor of English, KCG College of Technology, Chennai, and Dr. M. Sudha Devi, Assistant Professor of English, Sri S. Ramaswamy Naidu, Memorial College, Sattur. We are sincerely grateful to the members of our digital and technical support team, Mrs. Arul Gayatri Devi, MCA, and Mr. P. Durai, MFC, MCS. I'll be failing in my duty if I do not mention the names of the dignitaries who will deliver their valuable introductory speech every day. First day, S. Shanmugapriya, full-time PhD scholar, VHNSN College, Virudhunagar. Second day, S. Purnima, Assistant Professor of English, Trinity College for Women, Namakkal. Third day, K. Sellakamaksi, Assistant Professor of English, NMSSVN College, Madurai. Fourth day, Dr. E. Arukia Mary, Assistant Teacher, SS Government Aided Middle School, Thiruvarur. And fifth day, J. Alexander, Associate Professor and Head, Department of English, VHNSN College, Virudhunagar. Alapon believes that one of the most important areas we can develop as professional is competence in accessing and sharing knowledge. The most effective, successful professionals, I think, are constantly learning. They apply what they have learned and they continually work to improve themselves. And to do it, especially in this present situation, they need online platform. Online teaching is not the next big thing. I think it is the now big thing. Teaching in the internet age means we must teach tomorrow's skills today. But one thing we have to keep in mind, we can't just dive into an e-learning project thinking everything will go swimmingly. PPO, I mean P for preparation, P for planning, and O for organization are essential. We must spend time mapping it out and dissecting every component to deliver an effective e-learning experience. Once Abraham Lincoln said, if I had 6 hours to chop down a tree, I'd spend the first 4 hours sharpening the axe. So my dear participants, I think PPO is a must to be a master professional. It's important to keep an eye on e-learning trends and emerging technologies. We must live in the moment and design for modern learners. E-learning is changing and we will experience new models, new technologies, new platforms and designs emerge in this 5-day program. Our motto should be, we need to bring learning to people instead of people to learning. Thanking you all. Enjoy the sessions.
This is the first day of our FTP program. In this first session, we are going to see about models. Models are used to create materials to the students and we can conduct quiz programs and we can give assignments. This session is going to be taken by Dr. Jaya. She is going to teach us about how to handle models. She is having 20 years of experience in handling language classrooms in tertiary level. She is working as an associate professor in KCG College of Technology and She is very interested in integrating technological tools in the language classrooms. And beyond these classrooms, she is well versed in handling web tools like Moodle, Wikis, NiceNet, Edmodo, Google Drive, Google Classroom, etc. She is using these tools as learning management system and supplementary tools. She is interested in creating instructional materials by adapting and adopting net sources and printed materials. She has experience in these areas also. She has been attending conferences in India and abroad, and she has published lot of papers in journals in these conferences as well as other books. Now let's see the first day sessions video. Today we are having 4 videos. The first video is on creating and customizing Moodle. The second video is on setting up a course in Moodle. The third video is on adding resources and activities. Fourth video is on enrolling students into the Moodle and the course conducting quizzes. After viewing these 4 videos, you will have self-assessment, that is daily worksheets. The worksheets time limit is between 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. and daily assignments will given by the resource person. For these assignments, we will give extra time. After the FDP also, we will give some more days to complete your assignments. But our request is try to do the assignments daily. Now we are having Jaya to teach us Moodles. Shall we go? Have a nice day.
Hello, welcome to day 1 of FDP on using Moodle as a virtual platform for teaching and learning. Throughout this FDP, the lessons will be given in the form of videos. The first video of day 1 is on creating and customizing Moodle. By the way, what is Moodle? Moodle is a learning platform or a course management system designed exclusively for educators to create effective online courses. Moodle is an acronym which stands for Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. Moodle can be created for free using Gnomio or Moodle Cloud. With this short introduction, let us learn to create and customize Moodle using Gnomio.
To create a Moodle site, you go to Google and type Gnomio. It will take you to the link gnomio.com. So this is your place to create your site. So now you can give an URL. That is how you want your site to be named. So here I give my site name as RJaya. So I want my site to be rjaya.gnomio.com. So it is always better to have your site on your name, because it will be easy for your students to identify whose site this is and from whom they have got this information. So it is advisable to have your site name on your name itself. Then you give your email ID at gmail.com. Then English language, that is by default. Check I have read and agree with terms and condition. Then click create site. So now you will receive an email from Genomio. So go to your email and check whether you have received any email from Genomio. When you go to your email, you can see an email from Genomio support. It is a welcome message. So you can see your website link. So it make note that it doesn't start with www but https. So this is a link for your website which you will give to your students if you want them to join on their own to the Moodle site, which I will deal with later on. So now you have got a link for your Moodle site, and you have also got the username as well as password. So it is very difficult for us to remember this kind of a password. Now I will also tell you how to change this password and username, which you can always remember. So now to do that, you can go to your site from here. Okay, and you are not logged in, so you have to now log in with the username and password given by Genomio. So now the username is admin. Okay, password is capital N U 7 C U capital V E I. So now it is up to you to save this or never. I have chosen never. So now you go, in order to change the password, you go to admin user, then go to profile, and then here you will find one edit profile. So here the default username is here. You can change this. So I am changing that as there. You can have it the way you want. Then force password change, so you can click to enter new password. Okay, then now you enter your password. Then press enter to save changes. So now I have changed the username, I have changed the password. Then here again, first name you can change whatever you want, you can give. Surname also. Okay. Then email address is there. So you want all to see your, it's all setting you how you want to have. Okay, so here again select country. So India. So you whatever you want to write, you can write. So you can say the purpose of this module, the purpose, or you can say the objective of this Moodle site. This Moodle site is to use it as a platform for learning English language. So however you want to give the description, you can give it. Then here you can go to the files, and if you want, you can have your picture. You can choose a picture from your device and you can import it here. So when you do that, your picture will be displayed here. So from your device you have to choose it. So after doing all the necessary changes, you have to click update profile. So always remember to save, to update. So now you see my name is here. So I have not uploaded any image, but when you upload, it will get displayed here. Okay, and the description, the objective of this Moodle site is to use it as a platform for learning English language or teaching English language. So whatever you type there, you will get it over here. So this is how you will customize your Moodle site. So to brief, so you create a site, then you receive an email from Genomio where you will have the link for your site, a default uh, username and password, and later on by clicking admin user you will edit your profile, and whatever changes you wanted to make, you will make and update the changes. So this is how you create and customize your Moodle